Hey friends, welcome back to Speakeasy English Talks. I'm Nick. Today's episode is all about small talk, simple, friendly English sentences that help you start conversations naturally in real life. You will learn 20 useful small talk sentences for everyday conversations. I will explain each phrase, show you how to use it, and then give you time to repeat after me for shadowing practice. We will go step by step, slowly and clearly so you can understand and follow easily. Small talk helps you sound confident, friendly, and natural, whether you're at work, at a cafe, on a bus, or meeting someone new. So relax, listen carefully, speak along with me, and practice. Let's get started. What is small talk? Small talk means short, friendly conversation about everyday topics. Not deep, not serious, not emotional. It's used to break silence, create comfort, and show politeness. You might hear small talk like, "How's your day?" "Nice weather today." "Did you sleep well?" We don't talk about heavy topics like politics, religion, or personal problems. Instead, we talk about simple daily things. Weather, daily life, weekends, places, people, food. You don't need perfect grammar or complex vocabulary. You just need natural, short, friendly sentences. And today, you will learn 20 of them. Now let's talk about conversations in public places, on the street, in parks, or in shared spaces. These phrases are helpful when you want to be friendly, polite, and open to conversation. Is this seat taken? Polite way to ask before sitting. Repeat, is this seat taken? The line is moving slowly, huh? Use when waiting in a queue. Repeat, the line is moving slowly, huh? Busy place today. Use when a place is crowded. Repeat, busy place today. I come here a lot. Say this in familiar locations. Repeat, I come here a lot. Great coffee here. A positive comment. Repeat, great coffee here. Do you know what time it closes? Useful practical question. Repeat, do you know what time it closes? Long wait today. Use in slow lines or offices. Repeat, long wait today. It's my first time here. Say this when you're new to a place. Repeat, it's my first time here. Nice place, isn't it? Positive, friendly comment. Repeat, nice place, isn't it? Do you come here often? Common casual opener. Repeat, do you come here often? Let's continue with the topic many learners forget, talking to neighbors. Simple, friendly sentences can help you build good relationships with the people who live near you. How is everything with you? Repeat, how is everything with you? Your garden looks great. Repeat, your garden looks great. Lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Repeat, lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Did you just move in? Repeat, did you just move in? Let me know if you ever need anything. Repeat, let me know if you ever need anything. I think we have the same delivery driver. Repeat, I think we have the same delivery driver. Do you know when the bins go out? Repeat, do you know when the bins go out? Your cat is so cute. Repeat, your cat is so cute. Feels like the whole street is quiet today. Repeat, feels like the whole street is quiet today. Good to see you again. Repeat, good to see you again. Now let's move to social events. Parties, gatherings, meetups, or celebrations. These phrases help you sound confident and friendly when meeting new people. Hi, I'm Nick. What's your name? Repeat. Hi, I'm Nick. What's your name? How do you know the host? Repeat. How do you know the host? Have you been here before? Repeat. Have you been here before? I love your outfit. Repeat. I love your outfit. The food is amazing, isn't it? Repeat. The food is amazing, isn't it? Is it always this busy here? Repeat. Is it always this busy here? I think we've met before. Repeat, I think we've met before. Where are you from? Repeat, where are you from? What do you do? Repeat, what do you do? Great to meet you. Repeat, great to meet you. You did an amazing job today. You practiced 20 small talk sentences, learned how to start conversations naturally, and improved your confidence in real-life English. Remember, small talk is not about perfect grammar. It's about connection, friendliness, and confidence. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak proudly. This is Speak Easy English Talks, and I'm Nick. Keep learning, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.